So I like to pretty much put in the CPU into the motherboard right here before it's in the case. That way I can make sure everything's nice and perfect. I already took the instructions out and everything. Want to unlock it. There goes my wrap. You want to move it to the side and lift up so we have it like that. So there's the gold one. So you want to just pretty much find that and then line it up with that. It has it indicated. There's a little arrow, so that's what that means. So you line it up with that. You drop and play. So we want to get that done, and then we're gonna lock it back in there. Okay, so yeah, you set her in there. Now you want to lock this back up, and voila, might as well. We'll get this one connected really quick so it's not dangling. Alright, like that. Alright. And then case, but we're gonna go for it anyways. Alright, there we are. There we are. Okay.
So now you can see it is in.
Yep. And I just put in the motherboard, so now we're gonna get the motherboard screws. So we're gonna go for the USB 3.0. That one's have to come out. USB. That one right here. So you're gonna look at it and make sure you look for the hole. This one doesn't have a hole, so you want to make sure you go like this. Okay. HD audio. Same thing. You look at the bottom, and then you match it. Alrighty. And yeah, USB cable. Now we're gonna get this one in. You just want to find the little notch, and then just plug your shirt down in. There's the USB. There's that one. We're gonna do our fan one after, but right now we want to do the case and the power one. So these ones are very, very small. These ones can be intimidating for your first time, but don't worry, you've got your back right here. You see the PLED is a plus, and that means the other side is a minus. So you want to start with the plus. PLED top. So PLED, power LED plus. Here we are. It's the power LED plus. We got it, and now we're gonna go on it. Bam! We got power LED on plus. That's the power LED minus. Since we're here, we're gonna go ahead and do power LED minus next. That's gonna be above it on that same side. So yes, we got positive and negative. So it says positive, negative, as you can see here. And then we're gonna go right there. And voila. So power goes above. Here we are. And then the reset's gonna go on the opposite side. Alright, there's that one. And then here we are with the reset. It's going to be this way. And we just hooked up our case to our motherboard. Voila. Got it plugged in. We'll just make sure it lines up. It's like an L. So here we are. Voila, that's that. Go ahead and make sure we line it. You want to make sure you lead with these for the towards your thing so you don't mess yourself up. And then you also want to make sure your cables are going to be out the way. And then you're going to actually hear a click. So you heard that click. There we are. Super easy like butter. Alright, nice and easy. Whew. Hey, here we are. There's that. Ba-bam. Alright, so you want to always make sure your teeth align up with that. Ooh, it's a very tight fit in here. Oh my. Oh my, that's a tight fit for sure in here. And that graphics card is taking up all the space up in this PC build. Alright. We got our RAM installed. Bam, bam. There's one. Alright, butter. That's it. That's that one. Now we can get this out the way. A little concealer. Twist it out. Ba-bam. There are some clips. You line them up and you slide them in. Both sides. And that's that. There's
Grin.
alright. Alright. Appreciate your ride with us on this build. We're going to go ahead and see all the new parts in after this reset is complete. We'll be able to get into it. As it's a new upgrade, it has to upgrade Windows. It's recognizing all the new parts, registering them. If it can get any automatic drivers, it's going to do that. If not, we'll go to the website and we'll get our own drivers.